Good evening. Selfish. That's how Senior Government Minister Michael Gove described people earlier this week who refused to get the Covid vaccine. The Prime Minister's been more cautious in his language, but with new rules involving vaccine passports likely to be introduced from September, the drive continues to encourage those who are reluctant to get the jab. The under-30s and some people in Black and Asian communities are still less likely to get vaccinated than others, with areas of West Birmingham of particular concern. Our political editor, Elizabeth Glinka, has been speaking to people at a community hub in Aston.
There are all kinds of reasons people might not want to take the vaccine. As a whole, the rollout has been a huge success, but we know that take-up has lagged behind in some communities. Aston in Birmingham is surrounded by wards like Nechells and Newtown, with some of the lowest take-up rates in the region. Marcia works in a care home, but admits that initially she was reticent about the vaccine.
And it's just the anxiety of having, how can I put it, this virus that has made us have to take something that we didn't really want to take in the first place, the vaccine. But the vaccine seems to be working.
Volunteers at Saathi House in Aston have been working with Public Health Birmingham to try and improve awareness and break down barriers like language by producing videos aimed at different communities. Mashkura feels they're increasingly making progress, although pockets of mistrust and misinformation remain. She says Michael Gove's comments were counterproductive.
I think that language isn't helpful because it's almost sort of that blame game starts. I think it's about education and awareness.
The vaccine has already been made compulsory for people who work in care homes, and from September the government has made it pretty clear that there will be some form of vaccine passport, which means that there could be restrictions on travel and access to big events and venues for those that haven't had the jab. These measures are deeply unpopular with some Conservative backbenchers, and providing proof of negative Covid tests will also likely feature in government plans for those not vaccinated. Campaigners say making it clear the vaccine could be a route to a more normal existence may now be the answer. Elizabeth Glinka, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham.